Write proper word in the blank space. The SI unit of force is dash. Dyne Newton Joule. Newton. The air pressure on a body is equal to dash pressure. Atmospheric, sea bottom, space. Atmospheric. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different dash is dash. Density the same. The SI unit of pressure is dash. N per m cube, N per m square, kilogram per m square, Pascal per m square. N per m square. Make a match. Fluid, same pressure in all directions. Blunt knife, lower pressure. Sharp needle, higher pressure. Relative density, specific gravity. Hectopascal, atmospheric pressure. Answer the following questions in brief. A plastic cube is released in water. Will it sink or come to the surface of water? It will come to the surface of water. This is because its density is less than that of water. When it floats, the unbalanced force acting on it is zero. Why do the load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels? The pressure produced by a given force depends on the area of the surface on which the force acts. The greater the surface area, the less is the pressure produced. Load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels so that the load weight force is distributed over large surface area of the wheels in contact with the road. Hence, the pressure decreases and the tires do not burst. How much pressure do we carry on our heads? Why don't we feel it? The air pressure at the sea level is about 101 into 103 Pascal. This is the pressure that we carry on our heads. The cavities in our body are filled with air and arteries and veins are filled with blood. Their pressure balances the pressure due to the atmosphere. Hence, we don't feel the atmospheric pressure. Why does it happen? A ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. The buoyant force acting on a body is proportional to the density of the fluid in which the body is immersed. The density of fresh water is less than that of marine water. Hence, the buoyant force on a body in fresh water is less than that in marine water. Therefore, a ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. Fruits can easily be cut with a sharp knife. It is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife. A blunt knife does not work here. The force exerted perpendicularly on a unit area is called pressure. Presently, we are considering only the force acting on an area in a direction perpendicular to it. The wall of a dam is broad at its base. The pressure at a point in a liquid is proportional to the height of the liquid column above it. Hence, the pressure of water in a dam is much greater at the bottom of the dam than at the top. To withstand this high pressure, the wall of a dam is made stronger and thicker, broad at the base than at the top. If a stationary bus suddenly speeds up, passengers are thrown in the backward direction. When passengers sit or stand in a stationary bus, they are in a state of rest. When the bus suddenly speeds up, the lower parts of their body in contact with the bus acquire the speed of the bus. The upper parts of their body, however, continue to be in the state of rest due to inertia. Hence, they are thrown in the backward direction. Science sums question number 5 to question number 8 is already done in part 1. Can you recall what is a force? A force is a physical quantity which is described as push or pull on an object. Use your brain power. Make a list of some more examples in which contact and non-contact forces are applied. Write the types of force. Some examples in which contact forces are applied. To cut an apple with a knife, muscular force, frictional force. To lift a ball lying on the ground, muscular force, frictional force. Some examples in which non-contact forces are applied. The motion of the earth around the sun, gravitational force. The motion of an electron around the nucleus of an atom, mainly the electric force. While pulling a bucket from a well, the bucket full of water immersed fully in water appears to weigh less than when it has been pulled out of water. Why? When a bucket full of water is immersed in water, The net force acting on the bucket is equal to weight of the bucket full of water, the buoyant force exerted by the water on the bucket. The buoyant force due to a fluid is proportional to the density of the fluid. The density of water is much greater than that of air. Therefore, the buoyant force acting on a bucket full of water while it is in water is much greater than that when it is out of water, that is in air. Hence, it appears to weigh less while it is in water than when it has been pulled out of water.